Good morning. It is Friday, May the 7th. This year is going by fast. But before I can take off, I have a little maintenance I gotta do on my bike. Alright, so on my bike, 3 of these screws, or nuts, or whatever you want to call them, they fell off. I don't know how. I just found out yesterday while riding my bike, and this was just barely hanging on. Had one screw left somehow. Yeah, that's not good. So I'm gonna take 3 of these and put them on my bike. This is my old one, so it's still good. Back in business on my low gear. Bike maintenance is pretty important, and I keep putting off things. I need to set some time to go ahead and do it. I don't really want to put the bike in the shop because I don't want to spend money. It's kind of expensive. And I have all the tools to do it myself and YouTube to know how to do it. So it's not like it's hard. I guess my excuse is just time. But that's not really a good excuse now, is it?